So like a regular half double crochet line, when you go to start, usually what I would recommend is that the first chain 2 does not count as anything, and we're gonna do the same idea for the front post for the half double crochet. So you're gonna wrap the hook first, and then you're gonna slide in behind the front post from one side and pop out to the front side on the other side of that post, and then wrap through. And now like regular double crochet, you have 3 loops, pull through all 3, and that is a half double crochet front post. So wrapping the hook, going in to the side of the post and back out the other side, pull through, and then pull through all 3 loops. This is used more frequently than you may realize. It creates beautiful texture work as well. So wrapping one side, pulling through, and you keep doing that until you're satisfied. Now when you mix your front post and the back post together, you can create some basket weaving, which we have videos of, and this is how you do the half double crochet in the front post. And when you get to the very end of the row, you're going to treat that last turning chain as normal. So you're just gonna go in and then just go right into the turning chain. Okay, so just treat it like a post, and then and then just finish it off just like that. So you can turn your work and you can see that the ridge is on the other side. So this would be how you do a half double crochet front post.